Welcome back to Auto Drive Journeys, your trusted destination for thrilling car reviews, real road experiences, and everything automotive. If you love the growl of performance engines, sleek designs, and innovation behind the wheel, you're in the right place. The Pagani Utopia stands as a remarkable symbol of automotive artistry, precision engineering, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. As the third act in Pagani Automobili's elite hypercar trilogy following the legendary Zonda and the sophisticated Huayra, the Utopia brings a new level of purity and driver engagement to the hypercar landscape. Designed and crafted by Horacio Pagani and his passionate team, the Utopia is not just a machine, it is a moving sculpture, a celebration of form, function, and emotion. A vision named Utopia. The name Utopia is inspired by Thomas More's 16th century philosophical work, signifying an ideal society. In Pagani's vision, this utopia is not societal, but mechanical, a place where performance, beauty, and emotion exist in perfect harmony. Unlike many modern supercars leaning heavily into electrification and complex driver aids, the Utopia carves a unique path, emphasizing analog driving pleasure, mechanical purity, and traditional craftsmanship. Design philosophy, beauty in motion. At first glance, the Utopia captures attention with its flowing, organic lines. It doesn't scream aggression like some rivals, instead, it whispers elegance, sophistication, and speed. Every curve has a purpose, influenced by aerodynamics and classical Italian design. Pagani describes the aesthetic as fluid and timeless, avoiding unnecessary angles and instead opting for smooth, muscular surfaces that evoke vintage race cars and jet-age elegance. The front features iconic quad headlights and a gently sloping nose, reminiscent of classic Grand Touriers. Moving along the side, large air intakes and sweeping fenders hint at the beast beneath. At the rear, the signature quad exhaust pipes take center stage, surrounded by lightweight carbon fiber details and a retractable rear wing subtly integrated into the tail. One of the most visually striking aspects of the Utopia is the blend of materials: exposed carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, titanium, and hand-painted details coalesce into a masterpiece of industrial art. Performance and powertrain, V12 Fury unleashed. While many hypercar manufacturers are moving toward hybrid or electric powertrains, Pagani remains a stalwart of old-school performance. At the heart of the Utopia lies a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine developed in partnership with Mercedes-AMG. This masterpiece produces a staggering 852 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque, making the Utopia not only breathtaking to behold but brutally fast. The engine is mounted longitudinally behind the cockpit, driving the rear wheels through a 7-speed manual or automated manual gearbox, a rare choice in a world dominated by dual-clutch automatics. This transmission option alone speaks volumes about Pagani's commitment to driver involvement and purity. Acceleration figures place the Utopia among the fastest production cars in the world, though Pagani has never obsessed over numbers. Instead, they focus on the experience, the roar of the V12, the tactile sensation of shifting gears, and the thrill of commanding over 850 horses with your right foot. Chassis and dynamics, lightness is king. Like its predecessors, the Utopia is constructed using Carbo Titanium HP62G2, an ultralight, ultra-strong material that combines carbon fiber and titanium. This space-age composite results in a dry weight of just 2,822 pounds, 1,280 kilograms, incredibly light for a hypercar with such performance capabilities. The suspension system is a work of art, using forged aluminum double wishbones and electronically adjustable dampers to provide a delicate balance between road comfort and track prowess. The aerodynamics have been carefully tuned to generate downforce without relying on excessive wings or splitters, keeping the car sleek and elegant. Pagani has gone to great lengths to minimize electronic interference. Traction control and ABS are present, of course, but there are no drive-by-wire systems diluting the connection between car and driver. Everything about the Utopia is analog, mechanical, and raw, crafted for those who seek a pure, unfiltered driving experience. Interior, the soul of a Pagani. Step inside the Pagani Utopia, and you are transported to an entirely different world. The cabin is a celebration of old-world craftsmanship fused with modern technology in the most tasteful way. There are no giant digital screens or touch panels. Instead, you find a symphony of exposed metal linkages, hand-stitched leather, glass gauges, and tactile buttons. Each component inside the Utopia's interior is milled from aluminum blocks, polished to perfection, and assembled by hand. The gear shifter, in particular, is a masterpiece, its open linkage revealing the precise mechanical operation underneath. Every detail, from the pedals to the door handles, is a reflection of Pagani's obsession with artistry and engineering. And yet, the Utopia is still practical for its class. There is air conditioning, a small infotainment screen subtly embedded in the center, and reasonable storage space behind the seats. But make no mistake, this is a driver's car, not a luxury cruiser. Exclusivity and price. The Pagani Utopia is limited to 99 coupes, with a roadster version expected to follow. Each car is hand-built at the Pagani factory in Modena, Italy, with nearly limitless customization options. Owners can collaborate directly with Pagani's team to personalize everything from paint colors to stitching patterns, making every Utopia truly one of a kind. As for the price, it starts around 2.5 million, but given the customization options and exclusivity, most examples will cost significantly more. And yet, despite the cost, every unit has already been spoken for by passionate collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. A legacy in the making. The Pagani Utopia is more than just the successor to the Huayra, it's a statement. At a time when the automotive world is rapidly changing, and the future of internal combustion seems uncertain, Pagani has delivered a hypercar that dares to go against the tide. It eschews digital overload for analog emotion, prioritizes craftsmanship over automation, and celebrates driving as an art form. In doing so, the Utopia becomes not just a car, but a piece of history. It's the kind of machine that will be remembered decades from now, not just for its performance, but for its soul. Whether you're a fan of high-performance engineering, luxury craftsmanship, or automotive design, the Pagani Utopia stands as one of